One of the stars of my channel is my 2002 10th generation F150. It's going on 23 years old with over 262,000 miles on it. And of course, the basis of my channel is constantly improving, maintaining, or updating my truck. So mine's in pretty good shape, but I thought a lot of you might be following my channel to see what I do or what the options are for update or renovation. And that's the purpose of this video. Some of these trucks from 1997, and I think some of them were actually built before 1997, are going on almost 30 years old. So I'm sure everybody needs a little bit of restoration on their truck. And this video is perfect for that. I've listed all the products I'm going to talk about in the description of this video. If you click on them and buy through the Amazon link, it gets me a cut to help grow my channel, but it doesn't cost you an extra penny. This is also great for the time of year. It's actually December 2024 right now. I wish I'd put this out earlier, but it's great for the holiday season. So if you have somebody that you know that loves their 10th Gen F150, this is a great video for you. And also it's great for birthdays or other gifts around the year. So without further ado, let's take a look at some of the parts that are out there that can bring our trucks back to almost a new state.
I've separated the parts into the following price categories: under $50, $50 to $100, and over $100. In some cases, I have videos showing the installation of these parts, and I'll link these in the description of this video. Starting with items under $50, headlight switch knob, LED interior door panel lights, brake pedal pad, gear shift ring cap, and for those that made the Navigator Expedition console swap, cup holders, smoke taillight lens for the style side F150, center caps for both the standard F150 and the Harley-Davidson F150, tailgate hinge pads, the cup holder armrest for the standard F150 and the 60/40 bench, and a leather Expedition Navigator center console armrest cover, once again for those of you that have switched to that console. Moving on to items from $50 to $100, the flare side F150 smoke taillight lenses look great. Driver side seat bottom cushion for the 60/40 front seat, OEM style fog lights, dash pad assembly in multiple OEM colors, and a stereo bezel in OEM colors as well, and also compatible with the 4x4 models. All these items will significantly dress up, clean up your old 10th Gen, and are relatively easy to install. Finally, for over $100, you can add some performance, bling, and comfort to your truck with a little more effort, starting with some clear fog light lenses that are a direct replacement for the OEM style, a remote start kit for those cold or hot mornings to get your heat or air conditioning running, lightning Harley-Davidson style clear headlight lenses that really dress up the front end of your truck, the dormant lower intake manifold for those of you with a 97 to 2000 4.6 or 5.4 engine, but also those with the later models that are switching to the 99 intake manifold, King Ranch headrest that I'm selling, and also 4x4 skid plates that I'm selling. There are definitely many more parts out there to be had for the 10th Gen F150, but that would make a video that would take probably a full day to present. If you have any ideas, put them in the comments section. And like I said at the beginning of the video, don't forget to check out my 10th Gen F150 playlist. I've got hundreds of videos dedicated to this truck, and there will be more coming in the future. Thanks for watching.